I'm Angela with ProVia, and today I'm here with Brent and Marie, and we're going to be talking about some of the ProVia products that they have on their house and some new ones that are coming. So guys, could you tell me first of all just why you chose ProVia for your home?
We started with an entry door that needed to be replaced, and we walked away with a ProVia door. And after having that installed, we have been really happy with the air tightness that we get and just the overall finish and color.
And so then after you had that done, you moved on and had a few of your windows replaced with our Endure windows.
We did. The Endure windows are a vinyl window, and we were looking for something that was maintenance free. As we grow older, we're looking for things that, will maybe lighten our maintenance load, in our older years.
You're in the process of ordering, and soon you will be having installed more new windows. What kind of windows are you getting for this phase of your replacement?
We are going to have our kitchen windows replaced. We're having 2 double hungs replaced with a picture window. So that'll bring more of the outside in.
Yes. Nice.
And the other one will be just like the 2 casement windows that open up very easy and close nice and tight.
And then are you having any replaced on the front of your house?
We're having 4 done in the front of the house.
Okay.
And then our garage.
Oh, nice.
So that will complete the entire first floor.
That's exciting. And we also have to talk about the picture window because you have this lovely view of the lake behind you. Was that a factor in deciding to choose those windows?
Absolutely. Yeah, wouldn't you agree?
Yes.
Yeah, we decided that it was a nice way to more or less eliminate a lot of framework and allow, some of the outside, to, come into the back portions of our home.
So in your new windows that you're going to have, you will have the fine line weld on them. Your other windows do not have that, but you've seen what the fine line looks like. Are you excited to have that added to your new windows?
Yes, it looks great.
It just looks like a nice cleaner finish.
Yep.
So yeah, I think we're going to be real happy with those windows when they're installed.
For sure. So what do you love most about these windows?
I like the way that you open them up. The handle just folds in against itself, so everything's out of the way. It looks really nice.
I think I kind of like the energy efficiency of them. We like their Energy Star rated or certification. Just being able to walk by and not feeling, a cold draft coming in like we were with our older windows.
Yep, I know how that goes. Well, thank you for taking the time to talk a little bit about your window projects that you have coming up and the windows you already have, and just sharing your perspective as a homeowner and why you love these windows.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.